So there's been some really big moves on the crypto markets over the last few days, last few weeks really. Ethereum now 50% off its highs, Bitcoin 50% off, and actually a lot more are probably around sort of 70-80% off their highs. It's been quite the move. I mean really when you look at Bitcoin, notwithstanding if you were lucky enough to buy it back here in June last year, you know really people are losing money ever since probably January last year. So it's been a tough time, and the question is where from here. We've seen some big sell-offs here, some lovely short trades coming through on these markets, and we found a little bit of support off those lows yesterday. Is that a dead cat bounce? What is a dead cat bounce? Throw anything at the floor hard enough, it's going to bounce, even a dead cat, right? And that's really all it is. There's potentially nothing behind this. We'll see. If the market rallies from here, I'll be looking for it to return to around that sort of 40,949 level. If it fails from here, then really what is the next level of support? Well, to work that out, I'd just like to look back at where we were the last time we were at these sorts of levels. Now, I've got some pivot points that I look at on the charts, and I can apply my own indicators to that. But a very simple discipline is to look at, well, what happened next time we were back here? Well, here, 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 and here. So 4 times we've been touching that 30,000 level. That's a pretty big level, and I find with cryptocurrencies these horizontal levels of support and resistance are quite strong actually, and I think that's down to a lot of the, should I say, the retail nature of cryptocurrencies. So you know everyone can spot those horizontal levels. They tend to hold a little bit more strength than probably on other markets actually in my experience. So that 30,000 level is pretty important. The key level I'm looking for is a close below 31,051. If we're closing below 31,051, then the next level will be down to this little sort of cluster of pricing around that sort of 18,000 there. So that's a pretty grim for Bitcoin hodlers, whatever they're called, if that does come to pass. But in any case, right now, the next level, 31,051, we'll be looking out for that if we don't see a buy off these opportunities. Now, as for Ethereum, it's a similar sort of picture really. Again, 50% falls off those highs, and again we're looking down to that next level of support. For me, I'm pricing that at 1773. So a number of times again we've hit that level there from May, June, July, around that the high 1700s, and again I'm looking for the price to test back down to there. That's not to say I wouldn't be interested in trading opportunities. I like to trade off these sniper opportunities anyway, but as far as a big structural level, that's what we're looking at there.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.